Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making the system safe. Disconnect the battery and put on safety glasses and gloves. Once the refrigerant is professionally recovered, remove engine covers and expose the compressor. You will now loosen the serpentine belt and remove any obstructing brackets. Do this carefully so you don't strip bolts. Make sure to label electrical connectors and hose locations as you go, because keeping track now prevents confusion later. Once exposed, unbolt the clutch or mounting bolts and support the compressor before disconnecting lines. You'll now take the old unit out and prepare the new one. First, cap the open /C lines to prevent moisture and debris ingress, then remove the compressor and compare the clutch, shaft seal, and mounting points to the replacement. If needed, swap the clutch or relieve pressure per the service manual. Once matched, position the new compressor, hand thread mounting bolts, then torque to spec. Reconnect electrical connectors and service hoses, ensuring O-rings are replaced and lightly oiled. This prevents leaks and ensures longevity. You finish by reinstalling the belt and any removed components, then take the vehicle to a certified technician for system evacuation and recharge if you didn't perform it yourself. Once the system is vacuumed and charged with the exact refrigerant amount, start the engine and engage a /C to check pressures, listen for abnormal noise, and confirm clutch engagement. Make sure cooling at the vents reaches expected temperatures. If cooling is weak, check pressure readings, electrical continuity, and that the compressor shaft spins freely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.